troubles on the mind, hands around your throat, out in open waters trying to stay afloat. Remember to forget the future and the past.
Welcome back to Trouble with Tish. I'm Tish, and I'd be Trouble. But we already knew that. Alright, so I got the Melt mystery boxes last time they came out, and I ended up with some really cool stuff from Melt, and I hadn't had anything from Melt before that, so when they came out with mystery boxes again, I decided, I kind of had to have that. So I got both boxes, but this one is the $25 mystery box, and this is what comes in it. Alright, so we're going to go through and check it out. Okay, the first thing we have is the Melt Metal Bonds Gel Liner in Prissy. Let me see, I can get this out of the box here. And that is the color, and I really like that. I am very interested to try the Melt gel liner, potted gel liners. Alright. Then we have the All Day Everyday eyeliner, and this is in the shade Porcelina. Oh, that's going to be nice. Nice white eyeliner. And then we have the All Day Everyday lip liner in the shade Ambrosia. Ooh, I like that. Alright. And then we have the Liquid Set Lipstick. And this is leaking. It is leaking the oils out of it. And that makes me a little bit upset. So I'm going to contact them. I don't know if you can see where it's leaking, but the shade is pretty, but I will be contacting them about the liquid lip. Maybe they will replace it. If not, what can you do? Melt Ultra Matte Lipstick in Last Kiss. Ooh, I like that. Huh. That is, oh, that smells good. That is the shade. Are you gonna focus? Alright, well, it doesn't want to focus, I guess. Alright, and then for the palette. So the last time I got the mystery box, I got the brunette palette. And I am feeling a bit attacked by Melt. And I will tell you why. They sent me the 27 palette. And if you want to know why I further feel attacked, you just tune in to the next video and we'll go over that as well. Alright, this is the outer packaging. And those are the shades. Those are very, very neutral. You got a little bit of rusty colors down at this end, but still very neutral. So I'm feeling a a bit attacked with this whole neutral business. I don't know why you guys send me neutrals, Melt, but if I'm going to go get any more mystery boxes, you're going to have to step up your game with some colored palettes. Because I don't really wear neutrals. I mean, I'll probably wear this one. I'll probably sell the brunette that I got the last time. And I might sell the one out of the next batch. But, yeah. That is the $25 box from, mystery box from Melt. I will have them linked below if you want to check them out. I'm hoping if I keep getting the mystery boxes, they'll send me something with some color in it. Melt, if you're listening, by like miracle of all miracles, send me some colors. I want some colors. Anyways, I hope every single one of you has an absolutely amazing day, and I will see you all next time. Bye.
Troubles on the mind, hands around your throat, out in open waters trying to stay afloat.